everyone, Paul down here at CCRV. Right, this could be the solution to your problem. Right, I'm going to hand you over to Dave and he'll show you how this works just to set the temperature on your shower.
Okay, this is the control panel that works the gas water heater system in the unit. So pretty straightforward. Turn the power on. You can set between Fahrenheit or Celsius, we're on Fahrenheit, and then you can just turn the temperature up and down here. Once you've got that done and the water pump's on, turn your tap on, and what you'll get is a flame light come up here, which is on now to say it's burning, and you can see the temperature increasing on the panel, and the panel will go up to what you preset it to.
Oh yeah, we've got hot water down here, look. So now what we'll do, we'll go outside and we'll show you what the problem is, or could be. This is what has been happening. So, we've got an outside shower. You see that's off. We've got the pump on, as indicated by the red light. So simply you can have it on, right, and you see the shower's working. So that's anti-clockwise is on, which is a bit bizarre because generally anti-clockwise is off, and exactly the same on this one. Anti-clockwise is on, clockwise is off. This is what's been happening. If you pull this out, hold the line, right, pull that out, it stops. So you wouldn't know if that was on or off, would you? You really wouldn't know. So if you've got the hot and the cold slightly open, what will happen, the cold water will go through and mix with the hot, and once you've got the furnace on, and it will mix and it will cool the water down, especially this time of the year. If the water isn't hot enough, go out and check. Yeah, full clockwise is off. There's me making mistakes now. Clockwise is off, anti-clockwise is on, which in the UK generally, I'm full of water, it's the other way around. So just make sure they're off, full off. And then if you've got a problem with the water's not heating too much, then we'll have to look at something else. But this is quite common. So if you get to the end of the video, and I haven't repeated myself enough, or a million times, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel, loads more helpful things. But this is a how-to, so thanks for watching. Hold on, line. Hold the line. Funny old push fit. Oh, there you go, look at that. Yeah, not rehearsed. Right, there's a little bit of pressure in there.